Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So launch Pinterest application on your mobile device, then simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From here you can go to boards or pins. So for now we are going to the option of pins. Then go ahead and tap on one of the pins from here. So I'm going to tap on this pin. Now, in order to unpin this post, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, from here, tap on Edit Pin. Now, you have to select the option of Delete this pin as we don't have the option of Unpin option. After this, you'll see this option at the bottom. All you have to do is tap on the option of Delete. Now, by following these easy steps, you will be able to unpin pins on Pinterest. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.